7 days na lang? Ha? Eh, ang dami pang requirements ngayon ah.
Teka, witness na sa meeting sa mamaya.
Mabilis na yan!
Neme na!
Hi, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Hello po.
What is this?
Wala, ma'am. Countdown lang.
For what?
Sino unang matatapos, ma'am? Kami ba, yung mga deadline? Parang ako ata mauna tuloy. Yes, move.
Don't join on that, mister. Baka magkatotoo.
Uy, go kasi. Go kasi tuloy.
Let's start with the attendance. Say present upon calling your name. Acoba.
Present.
Bernal. Briones. Mr. Andre Briones.
Ma'am, absent po.
Bigyan ko. Siyempre. Hey guys!
Stop, guys.
May party night? Bago mo lang tayo sumabak sa war. Hey, Ari, later na yan. Mamaya ka na mag-review.
Stop it, Dwight. Can't you see I'm studying?
Chill. Ano guys, tara?
Can't, Dwight. We have family dinner.
Girl, same. Tsaka yung flowing it for incomplete, no? By the way, where's Andre?
Hindi lang yung nagising sa alarm niya. Okay, fine. If you don't want to go, edi don't. Ako na lang.
Just go.
Yung missing the fan. KJs.
Stop it, Dwight.
Diba yan? Nabudget naman yung prof na yan. Gabing gabi yan, dahil pang satsat. Uy, si Ma!
Uy, ma'am! Ma'am, may question ako.
Nakabadrik. May party pa akong pupuntahan. Naipagbilitan ko. Chat. Uy! Ano yun?
So, how's your day with Dwight? Oh, that guy? I don't want to talk about it. That jerk ghosted me. The Dwight Ramirez didn't come? Yeah, Dog yung Dwight niya, no? Kaya, huwag natin siya pag-usapan. Tara na nga.
Hey girl, what do you think of going to Paris after this Hell Week?
Oh, that sounds fun. Let's book that already.
Tara!
Right?
Go.
I-book mo na here. Oh, here comes Ari pala.
Hi, girl!
Hey, Ari! Let's book a flight papuntang Paris. We will leave next week. And nag-book na rin kami ng ticket.
Business class.
Wanna go with us?
Wow, that's fast, ha? Pero sige, I'm in. Pero how about the others kaya? They'll come for sure, right?
Wait, girls! Have any of you seen Dwight kanina? Tita Thurs just messaged me if pumasok siya earlier.
Ariana, doon kasi na kaya natin tuloy-tuloy. ha? But make sure you will do your part because I don't want to hear any of your reasons na hindi niya natapos. Is that clear?
Oo naman. Tsaka baka bawasan mo pa kami sa evaluation.
Talaga.
Anong oras na oh? Di ka ba baalis?
Hindi pa. Kayo lang naman tong atat na atat umuwi eh.
O sige, una na kami. Tara na.
Ingat kayo ha. Bye. Na kami ha. Bye. Talaga kasi ako eh. Who's that? The hell? May tao pa nga eh. Can't you see me? Di ba may tao pa?